You ever had an opportunity to be near a nursery school at around 3 or 4 in the afternoon? Ever noticed also the kids who were so orderly sitting at their desks will be all boiling over to the corridors, jumping up and down at the closing bell? They are enjoying the freedom when they are released from the pressure or the discipline enforced by the teachers. Even under the discipline in class, if a snake is dropped into the middle of the class, all the discipline will disappear. They will be starting jumping up and down and making a pandemonium. In this situation, the frenzy generated by the snake is stronger than this discipline enforced by the teachers. So they make lots of movement. Water molecules are just like kids. When the water is heated, the molecules get more kinetic energy. And once they have sufficient kinetic energy to overpower the force pressing them down in a pan, once the energy is more than that, they just boil. On heating, their kinetic energy increases. Hence, once they have sufficient kinetic energy to overpower the force of the atmospheric pressure, then they boil over. When pressure decreases, they can boil too, just like at the end of a school session when the bell rings. There is no more discipline enforced by the teachers. Ever seen the opening of a bottle of champagne or a can of Coke? Where were all those frothy bubbles till the bottle is opened and pressure is released? They were all hiding in the liquid because the heavy pressure in the bottle or a can. Once it is released, just like the kids at the end of the school session, they are free to roam around. Now you know why water that boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level can boil at 72 degrees at the top of Mount Everest. There is so much lesser pressure on the top of Mount Everest. In fact, the atmospheric pressure on Mount Everest is only 1/3 that at sea level. Once the energy of the water is increased and it reaches more than the energy of the atmospheric pressure, it explodes into vapor. The temperature at which this happens, we call it boiling point. The point in time at which children run around, roaming around, totally free, that is when the final bell sounds, and that is the dismissal of the class for the day. Makes sense? If you like it, subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you.